Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is GEREL MATTA. We're going to be doing a makeup tutorial using all drugstore products that you can find at Walgreens, Target, CVS, whatever drugstores that you have around your area. You can pretty much find all these products. So what I do want to focus on though are the new products from L'Oreal. I'm going to be testing some of these products. I got these loose pigments or shimmeristas, and I also got the little glow Amour. I also have a face cream that I'm going to be applying soon. I have this palette as well, and the last thing that I got is this bronzer. So we're going to put those products to the test. This is not going to be a full review. It's just going to be my first impressions on the product. So we're going to see how they actually hold up using other products that are not part of L'Oreal. So yes, that's what we're gonna do today. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts on the products as well as the makeup tutorial, please keep on watching. So I already have some concealer on my eyelid, and I use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. And I'm going to be using this palette, which is from NYX, and this one is the Ultimate Multifinish Shadow Palette, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to grab a fluffy brush, and this one is the Morphe M518, and I did a whole tutorial using the Morphe brushes, the one that Jacqueline Hill put all together. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it somewhere up here or up here. Just to let you know, my hair is a mess because I just got out of the shower. So that's what's happening. I took like a million years to do my eyebrows because sometimes you have good day brows and sometimes they just don't want to help you out. All right, so I'm just setting my brow bone and going over the crease. I'm not going to bring it down to my eyelid. I actually want that part to stay sticky so we can place other shadows there. All right, so I took the first shade, which is a perfect shade to set your concealer or if you use a primer. Now I'm going to go into the second shade, this one right here, with the same brush, and we're just going to work that on our crease. We're just going to do a really soft look. So this is a really nice shadow. It's blending really nice. All right, so now going back to the palette, I'm going to grab this shade right here. I'm going to take a shader brush like this, and I'm going to stay like from the middle of my lid going towards the outer corner. I know I'm far away. Let me bring it closer. So I'm just packing the color, just doing this motion, bringing it up and down, just making sure that it's really nice and even. Just keep on packing the color until you are satisfied with the intensity of the shade. All right, so now I'm going to go into this shade right here and just blend it in with the other color. Going back with the blending brush, I'm going to take some of this shade again. I'm just going to blend. Now going in with this shade right here, which is the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm using the Sigma E45 brush, which is like a very detailed, nice brush. I'm just going to pack some of that color in the outer corner just to give it a little more dimension, but just really sticking in the outer corner, not going too far in. So I'm grabbing a wipe and I'm just going to clean up the fallout. The first product that I'm going to be using from L'Oreal is this one right here, which is the True Match Lumi Glowtion All Natural Glow Enhancer. So this is all part of the Lumi line. I'm going to grab some. It says that you can use it all over or by itself, or you can use it under your makeup to give you a settle glow if you use the lighter shade. If you want to bronze off your skin, there is a different shade, which is a little darker shade. This one is the shade 902, the lighter shade. I'm just going to put that on my skin. Feels moisturizing, which is great. I'm just gonna put some on my shoulders as well, on my collarbone. Okay, so I do see a glow, a really nice healthy glow, so I can definitely see myself using this by itself. Definitely. We'll see how it actually works under a foundation that is mattifying. I need to use a foundation that is a little mattifying because I am oily and I live in Florida, and I'm going to be using something that is actually no longer being sold, but I need to use it before it goes bad, and this is the Fiona Stiles Matte Finish Foundation. concentrated, so I am in the shade 08. I need to make sure that I have something that is going to last for a very long time. Let's see how it works with a mattifying foundation. Alright, for concealer, we're going to use the Fit Me again in shade 20. We're going to be extra glowy today for sure. Okay, so I'm grabbing the first Shimmerista, and this one is in the shade 505. So it has a really nice lilac. If you like those colors, you're gonna like this one. If not, stay away from it. But it has like a purple iridescence shade. So I'm just going to grab a little bit with a pencil brush. I'm just going to put that in my inner corner. I'm going to spray the Mario Badescu spray. I'm going to place that in the inner corner. Whoa. Do you see the reflection? That it's beautiful. I don't think I will ever use it as a highlighter, but an inner corner highlight for like a purpley look like it is right now. Ooh, I like that. All right, so I feel like my eyes are going to crease a little bit. So let me just set it with a little powder. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, just a tiny bit. Let's move on to the eyes, and then we finish up with the other products from L'Oreal. I'm really excited about this inner corner. I don't know. What do you think? How do you feel about it? Let me know. So I'm grabbing a blending brush, and this one is a MAC 217 brush. A really old one. I had it since I was like 16. That is old. And I'm just gonna work that on my lower lashes. You don't have to put anything on your lower lashes if you don't want to. I do. I love lower lashing. I love putting color on my lower lashes. The inner corner is like so pretty. That is awesome. So I curl my lashes, and now I'm going to place some of this mascara, which is the CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara, and this one is in waterproof. No lashes, no liner today for me. So I finished up the eyes, and I put a little mascara on my lower lashes with the same mascara as well. So this is what the eyes look like so far. I hope that the camera is picking up the inner corner highlight. I'm still like obsessed with it. Alrighty, so now we're going to bronze our face, and I'm going to be using this new bronzer from L'Oreal, and this is the True Match Lumi Bronze It. It's new. I don't know if it's new, but it's new to me. So this is in the shade medium 02. So it does have a little gold flecks on it. So I'm going to see if it actually transfers. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using this Sonia Kashuk brush, and let's go ahead and bronze our face. Oh yeah, it has really nice pigment. And I don't see any shimmers on my face. It blends really nice. I don't see any patchiness or anything. So far, so good. Alright, so now I'm going to be swatching the two L'Oreal Glow Amour. This one is in the shade 507, and this one is in 508. So the 507 is called Daybreak, and the 508 is called Golden Hour. So these are the two. This one right here reflecting like whoa. This one is Daybreak 507, and this one right here, which is a little bit more golden, this is Golden Hour 508. All right, and because I have the purple going, I'm going to go in with this one 507. I'm going to pick that up with my beauty blender and just place it in the highest point of my cheeks. That's beautiful. And it's blending in with the bronzer really nice. That is really nice. The next product is this one right here, which is the True Match Lumi Nude, and these are the shades right here. They feel really dry. You can see the dark one right there. These are all the swatches. So out of all the shades, I'm going to place this shade right here on top of the liquid highlighter. See how it looks. More like a peachy tone. It is highlighting, but I do not know yet if I'm going to like it or not. Let me back you up a little more. All right, so let's go ahead and go in with the Golden Hour, and I'm just gonna put some on my shoulders just so you can see. This one right here is very oily. I don't know why. Like it's separating. It's not going in like the other one. All right, let's try it one more time. This one is very not as thick as the other Shimmerista. Very oily. Something that you will want to put like on your body. Definitely not your face. I've been calling this ones Shimmeristas, but these are not. These ones are the Glow More. So this is the last swatch for the Shimmerista, and this one is the 506. This one right here is definitely more like a rose gold tone. It's really, really beautiful. I can see myself using it as an eyeshadow for sure. I mean, you have so much pigment here. It's like crazy. For my lips, I have the Kathleen Lights for Colourpop, and this one is the lip gloss from the trio that she came out with. And yeah, that is all that I have on my lips. I don't have anything else. So my final thoughts on the products that I used today. I think that the Glow Amour are really, really nice. Maybe this one right here, which is the Golden Hour, it will be better when I feel a little bit more tanner, maybe during the summertime, but right now I'm just not feeling the color. I don't like it that much. So, but my favorite out of the two is this one right here. This one is really, really pretty. This one is the 507, and this is the Daybreak. The bronzer I love. I think that is really, really nice. It blends beautiful. I think it's a really perfect color for my complexion right now, so I really like that. Out of the two Shimmeristas, I love them both. I think this one could really be used as a beautiful eyeshadow. I hope that you can use it on your eyes, and we'll do a little bit more research. You can do your own research as well, just to make sure that you can actually use it on your eyes. And I'm hoping that it's okay, because I just placed this one in my inner corner and I'm still in love with it. I think it's so pretty. And yeah, this one definitely pass on. I really don't like it. But yes, the eyeshadow palette that I used today, I think it was my first time using it. I don't remember using this palette. I think I used the other one in one of my tutorials, but this one I don't remember using it, and I think it is beautiful. So if you haven't picked the NYX up, pick it up, because all the matte shades on the top notch, really, really good. So yeah, that's it. I hope, oh, hello. And this is so pretty. I felt like my skin, I was like putting like a moisturize on. It gives me a really nice glow. I think that I can definitely use this for like days that I have no makeup. And I really like this shade, the 902 shade. It's really nice. This one is the Light Glow. So I really, really like it. So yes, I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that if you haven't picked any of these items up, let me know if you do, what you think about the products. If you already use them on your makeup routine, let me know what you think about the products. Do you have this palette? What do you think about it? Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me in all of my social medias, which is Makeup by GEREL. Instagram and Twitter are the two places that I am the most active on, so you can follow me there. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you for all of your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.